the bomb curls for me. Like, sis, girl, get into it.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me?
What's up, y'all? Let's go ahead and get into it. So I received this hair from Golden Brooks Hair Collection. Thank you guys so much for sending this over for me to review. I received a 4x4 16-inch closure, 16-inch, 18-inch, and 20 inches of the Italian curly. This hair is so pretty. And as you guys can see right here, I am doing my removable quick weave method. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll make sure to leave a link down below or put a card somewhere in this video. And honestly, like my last removable quick weave, this took me about 30 minutes to do. Look how full and pretty this hair is. I have not used a closure in so long. Now the closure did not come pre-plucked at all, so this is what the results when I plucked it. This hair is so bomb in its natural state. And here is the final results of me making the unit, and I'm just going to apply it now. Just showing you guys how it looked once I plucked the closure. And I honestly miss the convenience of a closure. So I'm going to use my She Is Bomb Collection toning foam. I didn't really bleach the knots on the frontal. Not the frontal, the closure. Child, I don't know why I keep wanting to call it a frontal, the closure. And I loved how this product literally toned the closure and gave me the absolute perfect melt. So I'm just put my headscarf on, and I'm going to take my blow dryer on medium heat. I did this for probably about less than 5 minutes or so. Golden Brooks Hair Collection is a new upcoming hair company, and it is Black owned. And when I tell you, this hair is so pretty. I have received so many compliments on it. If you guys have not checked out Golden Brooks, you guys need to. Like, I'm so serious, sis. Look at that. All right, guys, so stay tuned for the review. It's the bomb curls for me. Like, sis, get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on this absolutely beautiful curly hair. This hair was sent over to me from Golden Brooks Hair Collection. Thank you guys so much for sending this over for me to review. This is their Italian curly texture. This hair is so pretty and so full. They sent over a closure and 3 bundles. So I have a 16-inch closure with 16, 18, and 20 inches of this hair. Let me show you guys the back. And as you guys can see, I have it in its natural texture, which is so pretty. I kind of finger combed it out so it can be a little bit more full. But honestly, this hair was already full when I finished installing it. As you guys saw in the video, I did a installation, a removable quick weave technique. I absolutely love those. Those are pretty much like a quick wig technique, but and they last quite a bit of time. If you guys have not seen my original removable quick weave, I'll try to leave a card up here. But yeah, this hair, like, let me just, no tangles. I'm literally running my fingers through it. But honestly, with curly hair, it's kind of understood if it does tangle a little bit. As far as shedding, I mean, don't really see any strands right there. This hair is so pretty. I have not tried an Italian curly texture before. I've tried a Malaysian curly. I've tried a Brazilian curly. I have not tried an Italian curly. One thing I will say, this hair is so freaking soft. Like, it is so soft. It is so soft. I absolutely love it. I have it right here again in its natural state. I'm gonna actually wet it for you guys to show you guys how it looks wet. It'll be my first time seeing it wet myself. But yeah, now the closure, as I said in the video, it did not come pre-plucked. So like, let me just show you guys what I did to pluck it. And I went in with the She Is Bomb collection, her toning foams, and this is in caramel. This is my first time trying it out. This is so bomb. I have it in sweet caramel and vanilla bean. Like, I definitely be using these also, like, for clients as well too. But this is like, this literally get into it. And I know like the closure's right there, but guess what, girl, it's gone now. We can't see it no more. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you again to Golden Brooks Hair Collection for sending this over to me. I will put all of her information down below. Guys, check out this bomb hair. Like, check it out. Check it out. It is so freaking pretty. Like, yeah. So until next time, as always, love you guys so much, and until next time, bye guys.